Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're going to be sublimating using this dual semi-automatic heat press. So don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. I've been having this machine for about 8 years, and I used to use it a lot when I used to sell a lot of soccer uniforms, but we stopped. And actually the reason why I haven't used it is because there's a valve on the side. It burned, so I never fixed it. I just put it in storage. And yesterday I was cleaning my shop, and I was like, hey, I wonder if this thing still works. So I turned it on and I fixed the valve, and it's working. So we're gonna be sublimating about 36 shirts, not that many, but I'm going to show you how fast it is, like to do something with like a dual Platen. Yeah, so the shirt that I'm going to be sublimating, it's going to be a jerseys. So jerseys, the name brand jerseys, and the model number is 21M as in Mary. So all of you know how to sublimate, right? So very easy. This one, it just happens to have dual Platens, and the good thing about having dual Platens is that while you're sublimating one, you can be prepping the other one. And what we're going to be sublimating is going to be this print right here. It's going to be a gender reveal. Very easy, very simple. Again, I'm not showing you like placement and stuff like that because I'm assuming you already know how to sublimate, right? So then I'm gonna put a piece of parchment paper. This is just to protect my press and possibly the shirt. And this is how easy it is. You just slide it underneath it and watch. Done. So then now, while that one is sublimating, we'll grab our next shirt. Excuse me for walking in front of the camera. And then we're gonna, set our next shirt. Excuse me for walking in front of the camera again and again. And usually I use these little jigs right here to place the image. They help out a lot. Yes, I'm gonna be walking back and forth a lot in front of the camera. Okay, so just so you know, I'm sublimating at 380 for 50 seconds. And I know some of you are gonna say, that says 190. Yes, it's 190 Celsius. So Celsius times 2 will give you 380, or 190 will be 380 Fahrenheit. So let me slide this one over. And then I'm gonna save this parchment paper, and I'll show you what it looks like. There's the paper that we need no more, and there's what we're sublimating. Again, it's a gender reveal, and sometimes we kind of have to hurry because the press, it's a little faster than usual, so we just need to be a little faster as well. And it's done. Slide it over. And if you guys happen to wonder why I got this plastic right here, probably can't even see it. This metal bar right here, it will actually, the shirt will get caught. So we put this in here so it'll slide over and it won't grab the shirt. Pretty cool. I'm not showing you the whole design because, I don't know, I just never did like showing my customers work or their designs. That's why I don't make a lot of videos on the stuff that we do here, but I'm gonna start making more videos of all the stuff that we do make here. And you see what I was talking about, sometimes you gotta work a little faster because the press will actually beat you. So and the reason why we put this parchment paper on top, if you notice on this one I got a little scuff right there, that would have been on the shirt. hope nobody asked me about the name brand because I honestly don't know. I mean, if you can see that, that's the name. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Tuozhe. I have no idea what that means. Okay, so this is set for the gender reveal shirts. It's the last one. Okay, so now I'm gonna start on a flooring company. And again, this one was 21M from the name brand jerseys. I'm sublimating at 380 for 50 seconds. Now the ones for the construction company, or actually flooring company, I'm gonna be using Sports Tech ST 350. And on this one, I am gonna use my little trusty jig because I wanna position the logo on the left chest, which is that logo right there. And again, this was the last one for the gender reveal. There it is. I know I don't show you the entire print. You want to see it right there. And now we're working on the flooring company. Okay, so on this one's right here, I gotta do the back. So if you're doing the back, the paper that I'm using tacky Beaver Texprint paper, tacky. So don't remove it, otherwise you're gonna create more work for you. And that way I can flip it over and position the back logo, which is the same logo, only has the phone number. And the reason why I'm putting parchment paper on this one, not to protect the shirt, but mainly to keep the logo from moving. That way I know it stays in position and it won't move on me. And this shirt's, I think I'm not doing that many. I'm doing 15 or 16 shirts. So it's not that many. The other one was 20 or 21. And it took me about 20 minutes. So it goes by really fast. These ones are gonna take a little longer because I have to do the back. So now we can remove the paper. And let me show you what it looks like. These blacks are like completely black. You see that? I mean, it's black. So usually when we sublimate, you know, we usually get like that reddish hue on the blacks. Not this one, look at that. That sucker is like black. And that has to do a lot with the type of ink that you're using. So if you're using cheap ink, you're not gonna get those nice dark colors. So I know you guys are gonna ask me what kind of printer I'm using. The printer that I'm using is an Epson F6370. It's a 44-inch printer, and the ink that comes with it, I honestly don't remember the model number. But if you guys have a if you don't have a large format printer and you guys are printing with a regular printer like a 13 by 19 or even 8.5 by 11, if you want to get some really good ink, I suggest you get the Epson T49M. So T as in Tom, 49 as a number, and then M as in Mary, and that'll give you some really nice dark colors. It will give you way better blacks than all the other inks. So if you're like looking for something that's darker and it looks a lot better, I would suggest you guys look up the that ink, which is again is the T49M. And the one place that you can find it that is very easy to find is at what is it called? Johnson Plastics. Johnson Plastics, you can find that ink. And the reason why I'm saying Johnson Plastics is because I get my ink through Imaging Spectrum, but with Imaging Spectrum, you're gonna need a reseller's permit or a tax ID, whichever way you guys call it. You're gonna need that, and if you don't have that, they might not sell it to you. But I mean, give it a try. Call Imaging Spectrum. They're based out of Dallas. Actually, they're all over the states, right? But give them a call and see if you can get that T49M from them. It'll cost you, the whole thing will cost you about $75 for all 4 colors for 140 milliliters. So it's not bad. If you guys are wondering how this press works, it actually is air driven. That's why you see this orange pipes right there. That's air, and it's very, very quiet. I mean, can't even hear it, right? I replaced all the nipples and everything that went in there to make sure that there was no air leaks and stuff like that. So the reason why I'm saying is because I just heard my compressor outside. Come on, it's kind of late right now. Well, not that late. Today is the 3rd, the 4th. I don't even know. The 3rd, it's Monday, October, the first Monday of October. So yeah, I haven't made any videos in a while. I was actually not feeling well, but we've been feeling good lately. So we're back making videos. So that's it, guys. This is it for this video. I got one more shirt to go, but let me know if you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Again, this is what the shirts look like, and then let me show you the other one. This is the other one that you guys saw. What you guys did not see is that I also put names on them, on some of them, not all of them, and that's what the names look like. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure like always. This is about to be the last shirt, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you, guys. God bless you, and I will see you later. Bye bye now. God bless you. See you later.